In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income just with uploading photos, and we're starting right now. What's going on, stackers? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start to make passive income just by uploading photos. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to learn to create passive income using Amazon, then check out the link in the description to my course. This teaches you exactly how to create low content books, which are notebooks, sketchbooks. This teaches you how to create the interior, the book cover, and make sales with that passive income over on Amazon. So the link is in the description. Now, how do we make passive income just by uploading photos? Well, pretty simple. This is Redbubble. Now, if you know anything about print on demand, then you should know that all you do is literally create the design, upload it to a POD, print on demand website, then when that product sells, they ship the product, send it to your customer, and you make commissions. And this site, Redbubble, is where you can do that. You can also do that on Amazon with low content books, like I have in my course, where you create the covers, the designs, the interior, then every time you sell it, Amazon prints your book and ships it to your customer. Well, with Redbubble, there's such a variety of things that you can create. Men's, women's, kids and babies, device cases, stickers, greeting cards, wall art, home decor. There's so much on this site, so many things you can create. So with Redbubble, how do we actually do this just by uploading photos? Well, if you take a lot of photos on your smartphone, then this is perfect for you, because you can then use those photos, those images, put them on wall art, greeting cards, anything you like, and sell that on Redbubble. Then every time it sells, Redbubble's going to take care of everything. So I found one seller here, I found another seller which I'm going to show you in a minute. But as you can see, these are some of the pictures that they have taken. So if we go over to here, we'll go to flower. Then let's have a look at his top selling items. So let's scroll down. We'll go to top selling just here. And now we can get a feel of the pictures that he's taken and has actually sold. So let's scroll down again. Let's click on this first one. As you can see, these are pretty simple photos. Now, you can do this with any decent smartphone. So if you've got an iPhone and you're always taking pictures, consider uploading them to Redbubble and putting them on products. So as you can see, he only sells this one for £1.62. But if we go to the extra large, you can see that it sells for £10. Now, if we scroll down, we can see all the other things that he's put his photos on. Now, I don't recommend putting them on t-shirts because it really looks out of place and I can't imagine anyone buying that. But as you can see, they look pretty good on the cases, and especially wall art as well. He's also put that on pillows, mugs, clocks, and they look pretty good. And this is one of his best selling photos. So if we actually go to wall art's your best bet. There's a higher markup. You're going to make a bigger commission if your photos sell. Now, don't go around this thinking if you put your photos on here that you're going to sell every single one, because you're not. It's like even if you designed products or designed t-shirts, you're still not going to sell every single one. But as we can see, so this wall art is £8.93. go to a bigger one. Let's choose this one. So let's have a look at this one, see what the price is. He's selling that for £6.75. Let's go to the metallic and let's go to bigger, extra large. So that sells for £27.19. Now all he's done is been taking photos, then he uploads them to here on products. Then this is completely passive. So every time this sells, Redbubble's going to give you commissions or kind of royalties. So I've also found this person as well. Let's scroll down, go to his top selling and have a look at some of his photos. So if you're struggling and you don't know what to do, you want to make some passive income and you have a lot of really good photos on your phone, then consider uploading them to Redbubble. You never know, you might make some decent money. So as we can see, he has some really good images, some photos that he has taken. Now if you take photos, make sure they're really good quality. And again, you can do that near enough with any smartphone these days. So if we take a look at this, that is a really nice picture. And I bet it looks even better on wall art. Again, he's put it on t-shirts. I really can't see anyone buying that, so I wouldn't even bother. But as you can see, it looks really well on a case. Looks even better on a wall art. So let's have a look and see how much he's selling this for. So the lustre is £8.25. Let's go to the large or extra large. And that sells for £29.80. Now that would actually look really well on someone's wall. But this is pretty easy. This is print on demand, so you can take photos with your smartphone, upload them here on Redbubble, put some on some products and see how it goes. Now obviously if you've never sold on Redbubble, then there is going to be a little bit of a learning curve, but definitely worth it if you have a lot of photos. So give it a try. If you have a lot of photos, go sign up, start putting them on products. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.